Hey guys, your Money Bunny here with another video. Today I'm gonna do a marathon. Let's start. So we have 16 gym rats from Marin 105. Knitted sweater, thank you. Nike helmet, thank you. Cactus chair, thank you. Wheelbarrow, never heard of that. Thank you. I'm so cool. Head feather, never heard of those. Pink, whoa! Pink Zilla. Happy New Year. Fancy top hat. Teacup, thank you. Teacup. Thank you for the teacups. I love them. Tiger plushie. Say hello to Bob. Keep Bob forever. I will miss him. He was my first. Cool. I'm done with the giveaway now. Happy face. 2014 banner. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So thank you. Flower necklace, thank you. I'm doing a giveaway. Canada again? Seriously? Okay, so that is the end of our mail time. See you on the next video. Bye. You want to get me out? Please subscribe and comment. You want to get your Money Bunny out.